Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Perelel subscription. If you have taken any kind of subscription on this platform, how you can cancel your subscription. So basically, as you know, this is a very popular platform for vitamins for every stage related to any kind of issues like pregnancy and all. If you have taken any subscription, so how we can cancel. So there is only one method to cancel your subscription, that is like contact information, contact via customer support team. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the format. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see, you can take a screenshot of this page or you can pause my video. You need to compose an email, and in the email you need to find, you need to fill out your account details, your user account number. If you have any account number, you need to provide your subscription plan, starting end date of your plan, and each and everything you have to provide. And in the end, please ask a proof of cancellation. And once your email is complete, each and everything is once complete, you need to send this email at their physical email address, that is like hi at the rate perelelhealth.com. This is the email address. You need to send your email at this email address, and once they receive your email, they will guide you or they will contact you related to cancellation, and they will reply on your email after some time. It will take approx 7 days. So please make sure, if you are going to cancel your subscription, you need to cancel your subscription before 7 days of your next billing cycle. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.